So good morning, class. Good morning once more. Okay, welcome to our today's lessons. The first lesson or the learning area is mathematics. We are going to learn about what? The last strand, which is algebra, under the sub-strand of inequalities. So when you talk about inequalities, we are just comparing what? Two items. Are you together? And those two items we are going to compare using what? Two symbols, less than or greater than. Now here we are having the examples. We are having here an example. We are going to use what? Mass. So we are having here different masses. This one is 2 kilogram. This one is 1 kg. Are you together? So when you compare the mass, you will find that 1 kg is what? Less than 2 kilogram. Are we together? 1 kg is what? Less than 2 kilogram. Or vice versa, you can say 2 kilogram is greater than 1 kilogram. Are we together? Then also we have another example. Let us use the issue of capacity, which is the volume. We are having here two containers. This one is a bottle and a 2.5 liter jerrycan. And this bottle is what? 1.5 liter. Now, when you compare their volumes, you find that this bottle, which is 1.5 liter, is less than what? A jerrycan of what? 2.5 liters. Are we together? So another way for you to master the issue of the inequality about the two symbols, we have two hands, isn't it? We have the right hand and the left hand. Are we together? So the left hand, this sign means what? Less than. Are we together? The right hand, greater than. Less than, greater than. Are you getting it? Tumeelewana? So that's why we have here this one. The arrow points what? Towards the right hand side. Itakuwa greater than. But when the arrow points the left hand side, inakuwa nini? Less than. Tumeelewana? Ukiona left hand? Right hand? Good. Aya, examples here. Fill in the gaps using the correct inequality symbols. Hey, we have 4 hours, we have the gap, and 180 minutes. 4 hours and 180 minutes. What comes in your mind? Make sure that the two are in the same what? Units. Are you together? Now, these 180 minutes are equivalent to how many hours? How many hours? 3 hours. Good, because 1 hour is what? 60 minutes. So 60 times 3, it becomes what? 180. Sinivo? So between 4 hours and 3 hours, which one is greater? So utasema aje? Which sign are you going to use? Greater or less than? So we are going to use the greater sign. Meaning 4 hours is greater than 180 minutes. Next one, we have 6 liters and 3 liters. Which sign are you going to use? 6 liters and 3 liters. Which sign? Greater than. 6 liters is more than 3 liters. So this one you are also going to use the greater than. 9 kilometers, 5,500 meters. For here, what you are going to do is that we convert what? Our 5,500 meters to kilometers, so that we have what? The same unit. How many meters make 1 kilometer? 1,000, isn't it? So when you divide by here by 1,000, you find that itakuwa ni 5.5 kilometers. And then now we are going to have 9 kilometer and 5.5 kilometer. Which one is greater? 9. Sinivo? So still we are going to use what? Greater. Are you together? Another last example. Last example. Which signs are we going to use? 0.1 meter dash 0.3 meters. 0.1, 0.3. Which one is greater? 0. So tunatumia sign gani hapo? So itakuwa 0.1 is less than what? 0.3. So here we use the sign of less than. Have you understood? So to sum up, what you need to know is when you talk about inequality, we are just comparing two items. Comparison of what? Two items. Are you together? Meaning one is more than the other. Are you together? If it is less, you use what? The sign of less than. Which means what? The arrow points what? Where? The left. If it is greater than, you use which sign? The arrow points towards what? The right hand side. So what? All in all, left hand means what? Less than. Right hand means what? Greater than. Sawa sawa?